Look at our backyard. All these snowdrifts. Wow. It's crazy. Hey, Rockstar. Look at it all on the fence. Holy crap. Let's go for a walk. Wow, look at that one. Unbelievable. Wow. This is the play center for our grandchildren. And look at that big ass snow. Holy Toledo. Let's keep walking. It's freaking cold out here. It's cold out here. Hey, Rockstar. Ah! What do you think of the snowdrifts, Rockstar? Huh? Ah! Ah! Look at the freaking snow. Can you believe that? Wow. Look at these drifts. They look like we're in Alaska or something. Unbelievable. Hey, Rockstar. This is just unbelievable. Look at this one. Wow, can you imagine that? Wow. I never seen anything like this ever. Look at the snowdrifts. Unbelievable. You're just going crazy. What's the odds of that? Making a tunnel right to the gate. That's funny. That's where Rockstar tries to get out. And I'm at the back end of the snowflake. Look at that. Look at that. That's just unbelievable. Hey, hey, hey! Rockstar! He freaking took off. He jumped right on that freaking thing and ran out. Hey, Rockstar, get back here! Come on! Come on! Freaking dog.